Welcome! In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 37. It is from chapter 21 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. Okay, in this problem, we have a circuit and we need to apply the loop rule to the loop that is specified. Kirchhoff's loop rule says that the sum of the potential differences around a closed loop in a circuit is zero. So we'll use our currents to mark the resistors so that we can find the correct potential difference across the resistor for the path that we take. All right, so I2 is going from left to right. I1 is going clockwise around the top part. So we'll mark the I1 near the resistors that it goes through. Okay, let's mark the resistors. Where current enters, it's positive. Where it leaves, it's negative. So we can start with internal resistance R2. We see it enters on the left side, that's plus. Exits on the right side, that's minus. Resistor R2, the current enters on the left side, that's plus. Exits on the right side, that's minus. Okay, now we can do the top half. Resistor R1, current enters from the bottom, that's plus. Exits on the top, that's minus. Internal resistor R1, current enters on the left side, that's plus. Exits on the right side, that's minus. Resistor R5, current enters at the top, that's plus, and exits on the bottom, that's minus. Okay, so now we are ready to traverse the given loop. We need to start at A and go left to right, and then over the top counterclockwise. All right, so starting at A and moving to K, we see EMF 2, and we see the long end of it, so that's going to be a positive, so we will write E2. You could also write EMF 2. Okay, we keep moving. The next thing we see is the internal resistor R2. The last sign we see is the minus. So we have minus I2 little r2. Next is resistor R2. Last sign we see as we traverse is the minus. So we have minus I2 R2. Okay. Now we see resistor R5. The last sign we see is the plus. So we have plus I1 R5. We keep going. We see little resistor R1. So internal resistance R1. Last sign we see is the plus. So we have plus I1 little r1. Next is EMF 1. Last sign, or the last side of it that we see is the short side, so we're going to subtract EMF 1 or E1. And then we get to resistor R1. The last sign we see as we traverse it is the plus, so we have plus I1 R1. We are back where we started at A, and so we write equals 0. And that is our answer. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions or if there are other problems you'd like to see me solve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.